Hello everyone, welcome to Fiji Investment Trading. My name is Mr. Singh and I'm talking about healthy choice management. Ticket symbol is gonna be HCMC. So I have two news. I'm gonna talk about it today. And I'm gonna talk about a little bit on technical side, and I'm excited. Let's go. So healthy choice management is now accepting cryptocurrency at the vitaminstore.com. Currencies are accepted and listed on the site. Dogecoin is coming soon. So now we can see that they are accepting cryptocurrencies as form of payment, which is good because now we know how the cryptocurrency is going on. It becomes an additional income for the company. So that's something exciting news that are accepting now. I'm excited. I know you guys are definitely excited. So this article came around a couple minutes ago, June 3rd, and I wanted to share with you guys. So the healthy choice management is currently trading several billion shares per day. HCMC is looking to break out of the trading range. The stock is among the exciting stock in the small caps that continue to be most talked about. The small stocks in the small caps, over 400,000 shareholders recorded. Wow. So I think this is the area that I wanted to talk about it a little bit more in depth on it. So Micro Daily first reported on HCMC in January 2021 when the stock was low at triple digits functions. The HCMC is getting noticed as the company pursues in against the lawsuit against $1 billion of Philip Morris and Philip Morris products. A settlement and licensing deal could drive. Listen to me very careful. A settlement or licensing could drive the HCMC into new stratosphere. Wow. The lawsuit against Philip Morris and is moving forward and gaining steam, right? Representing his HCMC is Crozen O'Connor, ranked along the top 100 law firms in the country, employing more than 775 attorneys in 29 cities across the two continents. The firm divides the client list includes the Fortune 500 companies, the middle market firms poised of the growth, and high profile individuals of HCMC who must have a serious solid case against it. So now we know they have hired somebody to represent them, and this company is the person who's representing is Crozen O'Connor. His company, his law firm, has about employing more than 775 attorneys across 29 cities, and his company is over 500 Fortune's company. That's a big, massive thing. More on this article is about how many uh, stores they have. We know that they all serve in Florida. The HCMC operates 8 vape stores across the 8 southeast of United States, offering a smokers of alternative traditional cigarettes, operating throughout the Vape Store brand, including the Vape Store, Vapor Max, Vulcan Vape, and Grab Bag locations and the stores. So we know they have the 3 stores and they have 8 vape stores across the East Coast. I'm looking at more if we're going to expand it out, come towards different states like Texas, California, and we can see on like how it functions. On the article, HC has been doing over 1 million per month in sales in 2020. Last week, HCMC announced the financial results, which ended in March 21st, 2020. The Nelson's operating observatory of 3.5 million was down 14% over the last year. A significant proportion decline related to the March COVID. Everybody know about it. We expected that. I expected it. So there's nothing to be huge alarming on that. Adjusted EBITDA loss amount was 394,000, an improvement approximately of 9% compared to the previous year. So that's So the company is held by the powerhouse management of Jeffrey Holman, seasoned executive, a corporate lawyer who serves the president of Jeffrey Holman Associates, a South Florida-based law firm. Holman also has a partner of Holman, Coran, and Valencia, right? So this is a more detail on the company who's having on that and stuff. So a little bit more breakdown on the company, what they have doing it, but the couple thing is while I was reading this article, and the key areas I'm going to talk about it is this one. In the criminal lawsuit against Philip Morris, Crozen O'Connor is representing HCMC, and we know this is ranked over 100 law firms in the country, employs more than 175 employees. The co-founder is a full-service firm, recognized practices immigration law, business, government relations, and its attorneys experience all over the sectors of the economy, right? So this company of, Crozen O'Connor, so this is no joke, guys. This is no joke who's representing HCMC. And they are, like this article says right up here, that they are moving forward and gaining steam. They know they're gonna win it. They wanna go. If they wanna win, they're gonna win big on that, right? And apart from the lawsuit, what I'm also looking is the growth of the company. Means what is the next future plan, or where is the next development of HCMC is gonna come, right? Or there'll be some kind of measure of the stores. They're buying some other stores, locations, whatever, for to grow on getting out of from southeast, right? So you're coming out to different states to explore your horizon, grow more, get more stores, and get some kind of deal or endorsement to on the online product to enhance your product. So that's something I'm looking. I'm looking pretty much simple word, looking more growth on the company, right? I'm looking at that. I believe in that. I think there's a long term, beneficial on that. I know everybody's eager to see where this lawsuit is going. I just want you guys to be careful. This lawsuit will make some kind of impact, but what else we are looking at it in order for it to rip, right? What are we looking is for them to rip. We only think is it's gonna go close to $1 or $2, whatever it is. We are looking at it. But in order to do that, we want to see some more growth, some more development on the company in order to do that. And I'm a total believer. Don't take me wrong. I'm a total believer of HCMC. I expect the stock to go pretty high on that. So if you look at it on the chart right here, this is the regular chart that we can see, right? We went to all the high of 0.65, came over here, tested at 0.015, went back, came back and testing it again, right? So we all know about the offering rights is going around right now. So we're going to talk about a little bit on the offering rights. So what does the offering rights means, right? So let's talk about it right here. Underwriting of offering rights, health insurance management would distribute a non-transferable subscription of every right for one share to 4 shares, right? Okay, so the simple term is that you buy 800,000 shares, right? You get a 25,000 shares, for example, right, as a discounted price on that. They're gonna do a weighted average cost on that and see what price it is. So you have to call your broker. So if you have Fidelity, M-Trade, you won't able to do it online. You have to call them in order to exercise the rights, and they'll tell you the price you're getting. Right now it is about 0.014, right? And we are trading around 0.014. So it's up to you. Do you think that is the best time to buy it? For me, I don't know. I have to wait for a couple more days to see where the stock is HCMC is moving in order to do it. To get it at the same price right now on my discounted, I'd rather have to wait and get it maybe more cheaper, or just to see. Yeah, but I'm just waiting right now in order to buy it, to exercise my rights, exercise my rights on the offering. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's all you have to see that you really want to get it, but you have to be careful. Like, do I really need it? If it's trading at 0.115, or you can just wait and see before it expires. So it's expiring on June 10th of 2021 and stuff. So nothing much change on that. If I go back quickly on the 1 month chart, yes, we were trading at 0.115, came back and tested at 14, bounced back up at 19, and this is what we trying to do right now, right? It was nothing too exciting, nothing was going on, nothing too Chevy, but on my technical analysis you guys can see it, that this is a 1 month and 1 hour that is this is acting as a support, and I talked it numerous times. Like the two key levels we need to keep an eye: 0.0012 and 0.0009. They're the two key levels we're gonna keep an eye to see, right, if it holds or not. Right now today we closed it, and guess what? Look at that. Guess what? We are trading below the 200-day moving average, and I'm excited about it. And we've been testing it, the 20-day and the 60-day moving average. The 200-day is a solid moving average. Every time we traded below the 200-day moving average, look at it, guys. I supported. We had a huge push to 0.035. MACD is still selling off, cooling down. RSI looks really solid. It's cooled off, so I am not like, if it's somewhere around right here. What is it, 40? Yes, so I'm not too worried about it. 70 is oversold on that. So MACD is slowly scraping it. Look at the MACDs. The MACD cell is going smaller for past 3 days. Look at it. It's getting smaller. So we have to watch this channel, guys. We have to watch this channel, right? As I talked on my previous video, that which channel we're gonna talk about is all this trading in between, and we're gonna explode. When we explode, we'll be testing the two key levels: 0.025, 0.035, and 0.0065. This is the key levels we're going to talk about. Well, all been said, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your guys' efforts on this, to watching the videos. I'm here for HCMC. I'm here for long. I'm with you. We're going to get whatever price you guys are looking at, or right, I'm looking at it more than $1, so I'm excited. Let's go. Let's get the money, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.